Alright guys, I'm going to make this quick. It's an 18 FX4 off-road 5-liter F150. Really nice truck. It's a sold unit. The customer requested that we put wheel liners for him. So the part number that we're going to use is FL3Z9927866 Delta. Let's install them. What I'll do is I'll take the wheel liners and I'll just lay them down on top of the tire. Right here, left hand side. And then right there, right hand side. I just kind of lay them on top of the wheels to get everything right where I want it before I get started. They're supposed to come with a hardware kit, but there's like 2 different kits in boxes back there that have been separated. So I'm hoping that this is the kit right here. But when you order your liners, you're going to get a kit with it, so you won't have to worry about the dealer shenanigans I'm going through right now. When you put these metal clips in there, you got one that goes right there, one that goes right there in that oval port, and one that goes right there in that oval port. You notice the little push plastic tabs go in the circle ones. They don't fit in the oval port ones like that. And then you'll shove your fender liner up in there. You're gonna have to pop it up in there. It's gonna fight you a little bit. And then once you get that up in there, take your push tabs and go ahead and feed them in where they go. And then they'll have to line this up by hand and then use a 7mm to drive them in. They don't got to be perfect as long as they're tight, and then you can grab a hand ratchet if you want, finish tightening them up. I'm in a hurry right now. This customer's waiting, and I took my damn electric ratchet. They're all tight, and that's the wheel liner installed. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. That's it for the video, guys. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple, easy install, done and done. As always, y'all be blessed.